final things we'll discuss on this video are dealing with the client and your username information. First, we'll talk about the username. This is done down here at the bottom of your screen where it says user. The way to change that is by clicking on it and opening up this pop-up box. Type in your office name here, your name as the operator, your address, city, state, zip code, the country you're in, your phone number, and your email address. When you print anything out, it will have this top information printed on the form for you. And since this is kind of a form of advertisement where people show to other people, you may want to make sure that you have this information clearly typed in. Once you've done that, just go to here and save it. Now I'm going to type where it says user. I'm going to say just new user, so you'll know that it is saved. And then you can type your name or your clinic, or however you want to do it, doesn't matter. So save it here, and now this is changed. Your operator name would be here. This down here is a list of your clients, and this is who you have selected right now. It says Jim Jones is selected right now, so if you did save the information, it would be saved under that name. If you click on it, it gives the list of names that you have saved in this file. So there's what, 4 or 5 different items and names in here. If you click on one, you're selecting that name. So Thad Jones is now selected. That'll stay there until you change it. If I want to come over here and do the client, I can open up a client right here. And Thad Jones, as same as I had down there in the screen, is now showing up here. I can expand this out just like I did it before by clicking on it, and it brings up your list. Of course, if you have a long list of clients, this is a good way to go through it. Now, there's a wrong way and a right way of saving information. Now, you cannot change the client ID number. That's when when I clicked on it, it changed it to red. Can't change that. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that, and I'm going to go into it again. I'm going to open the client, and now I want to add a new client. So I'm going to come up here to the plus key, and I'm going to click on it, and now as you see, it empties up the boxes that are there, and all you need to type in is the last name, and it can be any name. We're going to put last name of Gonzalez, first name of Jose, and no middle name, but a client ID needs to be put in. So we'll put JG, and we'll do 001. That's all you need to put in. If you want to put in any other information, you can for your own lookup later on, and just click yes. Now that's saved. So you can come back here, and if we want to click on it and go to somebody else, John Smith, now John Smith is there. That's how you save a name, the client name. And whoever is here highlighted and the name showing here, when you save your client information, then that's who it's saved to. Now generally you're not going to save anything. You're going to simply print it out and give it to your client and keep a copy for yourself. And generally all you're going to be printing out is what you found for the client. No readings, because it's a different style of reading than it used to be, where you had a reading for every point on the hand. So that is basically the final information that you will need here. If you want to look through any more of it, you're welcome to, of course. And if you have questions, then let me know. But that is the end of training video number 1. Hopefully you've been able to get some information you'll be able to use. Appreciate you listening and watching.